Hello all, welcome back and very good evening to our new topic. Today we are talking about the basics of resistor. It's a very important component in the electronics and very useful component. So you can see that a resistor, it is a passive element or passive component used in electronic because it is called passive component because it doesn't add any gain to the circuit. Then it controls the flow of a current. It means there is a current in the circuit and you put a resistor, it will limit that amount of current that is flowing in the circuit. That's the job and purpose of the resistor. Here are different types of resistor. You see that there are the color bands, and based on the color bands you decide the value of the resistors. These are called as axial lead resistors. So there is an array of all these resistors. Here are different symbols, number A, number B, and number C. So for the number A, you see that this is a simple resistor symbol. If you have a value of a resistor that can be changed, it is called as variable resistor, that is indicated by B. So such kind of resistance is called as rheostat, or in bracket variable resistor. And the third is also sometimes you see this kind of symbol, that is also called as variable resistor, or in popularly it is called as potentiometer. So here this is a fixed value of resistance. It means its value cannot be changed. However, for the B and C, you see these are called as variable resistance and the value can be varied. So let me take you to the next slide here, which talks about different resistor types. On the right side, you see that there are different sizes of the resistor. So right from the starting from the smallest one, here is a scale and you have got up to this one. So big one, different size and different shapes as well. So these are basically from this one to this one up to above the line. All these resistors are called as carbon resistors. So they come in different power ratings. So this is 1/8 watt power rating. This is quarter watt. This is half watt. This is 1 watt. Here is a 2 watt, and so on and so forth. Here, this is a ceramic type of resistor. That is the material that is used to fabricate this one. It is 10 watt resistance. Here it is 20 watt resistors. Okay, these two are ceramic types. Now, what is the power rating that I said? Quarter watt, half watt, 1 watt specify? It means the maximum power when the current will flow through this resistor, there is a generation of the heat in the material of which the resistor is made of, and I square R is the heat that is dissipated into the resistor, where I is the current and the R is the value of the resistance. So if that product I square R is bigger than the maximum rating of this resistor, the resistor will blow away. Therefore, while doing a circuit analysis and a circuit design, you have to understand the value of a current that will flow into the circuit, and accordingly you choose a resistance and then calculate the maximum power dissipation into the circuit. Accordingly you choose the power rating of a resistor. So you generally choose a resistance whose power rating is higher than the maximum power that will be dissipated into that part of the circuit. Okay. Now, here the symbol already shown to you, as you can see that and explained to you. Here, sometimes when you do the schematic design and the PCB design, you choose from the symbol library the resistors, whether it's PCB or and all. There is often a term used, bill of materials, BOM in short. So if you see that the value of a resistor 8K2, it means the value of a resistor is 8.200 kilo ohm, or simply 8,200 ohms. If you see a value of a resistor is indicated as 1R2, It means this value is 1.2 ohm, just 1.2 ohm. If you have 18R written on the body of a resistor or on the symbol, you can say that that value of a resistance is 18 ohm.